Hey folks, St. Paul Steam and Machine here. We've got this engine done. And she runs very well. It's just a little under 2 pounds. Did quite a bit of work, mostly tightening it up. I noticed this didn't have a support for this valve, and so it was lagging down a little bit. So I put this is a stud that also holds this bar in place. I straightened both these rails out, and it's got roller ball bearings inside there for the arm to ride on, and that helped out tremendously. I did straighten out this drive pulley. I'd say it's about 98-99%. I couldn't straighten out this flywheel because it's brass, and it's just, the spokes are thicker than the axle, and I was afraid I would break something if I tried. We did tighten up the wrist pin and this end of the connecting rod. I soldered in a new bushing up top, and it's a tapped 31640, appropriate size, and it exhausts just under the base. Wish it went a little farther, but it's a super runner now, running on just less than 2 pounds. I think it was 9 pounds when I got it, where it was idle. Actually would barely stay running. That's 3. And we went 5. And went up to 9. This is what it would take just to run on it. Got it, I believe. Took a lot of the slop out of it. Primed it. Primed it again and primed it again. She's a mesmerizing runner now. And I'm going to steam it here in a little bit. And I thank you for looking. Bye now. Bye, folks.